Welcome to the Lecico BS40 Urinal Installation Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through each step of installing the BS40 urinal, ensuring a secure and professional finish. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready for a smooth installation of your Lecico BS40 urinal. Begin by marking the drill points on the wall for the mounting brackets. Ensure the marks are aligned both horizontally and vertically. Use a pencil or suitable marker to make clear, precise marks that will guide you during the drilling process. Using an 8mm drill bit, carefully drill the holes at the marked points on the wall. Position the mounting brackets over the drilled holes. Using a spirit level, check that the brackets are aligned perfectly. Secure the brackets by inserting and tightening the screws. Now insert the waste pipe fitting through the base of the urinal. Place the rubber sealing washer over the pipe, ensuring it sits flush against the underside of the urinal. Screw the lock nut over the pipe, tightening it securely to press the washer against the urinal base. Next, attach the stainless steel waste outlet underneath, ensuring that the outlet is aligned and secure. Connect the top stainless steel inlet, securing it by screwing it tightly onto the urinal to ensure a firm connection. Carefully lift the urinal and hook it onto the mounted brackets. Ensure that the urinal is level and sits securely against the wall. Connect the waste outlet to the drainage system, ensuring a leak-proof connection. Your Lecico BS40 urinal installation is now complete. For further assistance or detailed technical support, please consult the full installation guide on our website or contact the Lecico support team. Lecico, beautiful bathrooms you can trust.